Yung group namin is aiming for the national recognition, perhaps Gawad Kalinga, Chubas. And then the legitimacy of the organization na to encourage other, if not all, regional offices to be part of the membership. I-engage natin sila. One major aim also is the organization should be established na. Ibig sabihin mo, kahit saan tayo, makikilala po yung ating organization. And expectation din namin is, yun nga po, na sana yung mga kasama viewers nito, yung mga survivors sila, sana natin sila, invite in case na wala na po yung the original members o retired ng organization. At yun nga po, 100% no sana ma-encourage silang mag-join sa ating organization.
And with this note, as required, as the humble president of the association, I hereby commit to monitor, follow up the submission of the action plans for the next 6 months from April, September to 25. To be able to schedule a board meeting for the approval of said plans. To coordinate with the executive committee ready implementation of the programs as promised. After the BOD's approval, the same shall be submitted to the Information and Documentation Committee for the dissemination to the entire membership. Para updated with that. Finally, to follow up the approval of the BOD resolution number 2, whereby the committee's respective objectives for the year be approved and likewise to be disseminated to the entire membership. With this note, again, in behalf of the association, maraming salamat sa inyong expertise na sinir sa amin for the full day. You've been very patient in handling the group. May mga you welcome some differences of views, but as mentioned by Victoria, we will focus on the similarities, first time to the religion. Let us set aside yung mga negative na yan for the sake of the retirees. Huwag natin be governed by the personal. Set aside natin yung mga ganon for the sake of the interest of the entire retirees. Inaasahan tayo yung mga membership apparently. Binigyan tayo ng trust at tinanggap na natin yun. Kaya sa tingin ko ay yung pwedeng gamitin yung mga personal na reason na hindi makaka-attend. In fact, nag-schedule yung 1 year na meeting natin para pagmamahal natin sa entire retirees. Huwag natin siguro gawin ng huwag na tayo nag-expect ng palit ng mga services natin. At sa akin, gawin natin masaya tayo makapag-share. Yan. Tama yung away-away, mga discussions, but at the end of the day, nag-agree naman tayo. Sama-sama tayo. Again, maraming salamat. Sana ay this is just the first of the series of interactions with you. I hope kung meron tayo mga clarifications your lines will be open. And, for further information, for further insights, there's no one who authorizes name. May alam ng iba na hindi rin natin alam at dapat tanggapin natin yun. For the sake again of the entire championship. May God bless you and your family. At again, maraming salamat. Ako naman, ang commitment ko na support the board in whatever means that I can. No? Basta hiniling nyo, nandyan ako. Thank you.
So we would like to formally thank, of course, our facilitator, si ED Art, and as well as the participants. Kasama na yung mga those who have participated in the morning and yung umalis an hour ago. This has been a very productive and fruitful activity. Parang sabi nga natin, tall order, but I think we delivered, and that is credit to the members, to the BOD, who are very participative, active, talagang expressing yung mga opinions. But of course, this will not be as productive without Sir Art. And we would like to call our president to present the certificate of appreciation to ED Art.
Civil Service Commission Retirees Association presents the certificate of appreciation to retired Executive Director Arthur Luis P. Florentin for his invaluable contribution during the CSC Retirees Association Strategic Planning Workshop, given this 21st day of March 2025 at the second floor, CSC Resource Center Building, Civil Service Commission, Batasan Hills, Quezon City. Carpito L. Calyanan, President 2024-2025, CSE RA.